you'll notice that these lights are blinking amber for the 4 drives we just installed here. So the reason that is, to the best of my knowledge and my research, is Dell has certain drives that it deems compatible, or that it has marked as compatible. And unless you buy one of those drives, either from Dell or from one of the, certified vendors, then the drive is going to blink amber as if there's some sort of hardware malfunction. So there's really not, at least in our case. There are some drives that are actually not compatible. I believe that P&Ys, or as of 2 years ago from the research I've done, P&Y, I believe that somebody said Western Digital was not, but these seem to be compatible, which is ironic because they're one of the cheaper ones that I could find to buy. But anyway, I'll do a full test and report the results later. But these seem to work. We were able to create a virtual disk and able to see it as a separate virtual disk. So I'll make another video once I get all of them replaced with SSDs and reload the OS. Anyway, I just wanted to, if you do this yourself and you notice that the lights are blinking, that's probably going to be with any SSD that you use. And there are ways to turn them off, but really all you're doing is you're just masking, you're just changing the color of the lights. You're not actually making them, you can't turn them into a certified drive, and they'll never behave as normal because they're not certified by Dell. So just keep that in mind going forward, and just wanted you to note that in case you saw this at home and were like, what the heck's going on? So thanks guys, just want to let you know.
Alrighty guys, that about does it for today. If you like the content, please consider giving me a like and a subscribe so I can continue to grow and produce better and better content for you. And if you really like the content, you might even consider buying me a coffee, and the information for how to do that will be in the video description. If none of that sounds good, at least just give me some feedback in the comments. Let me know how I'm doing, if anything's unclear, or if there are things that I can improve on. But above all, guys, thanks again. Appreciate you watching, and have a great rest of the day.